Hello and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your geology teacher, Jen, and it's time for Throwback Thursday. This is Martin Heinrich Klaproth. He was born on December 1st, 1743, 1 year after our last Throwback Thursday scientist, so if you haven't seen that video yet, you can go check it out. He spent most of his career working in apothecary. In 1771, he became a business manager for Valentin Rose the Elder, a German pharmacist, which he ran until he could buy his own pharmacy. Then in 1800, he became the director of the Berlin Academy of Sciences, so he sold his apothecary and moved to the academy. Klaproth made many contributions to science, particularly to chemistry. So why is a geologist talking about a chemist? Trust me, it'll make sense soon, I promise. He worked to improve the processes of analytical chemistry and mineralogy. There we go. Okay. At the time, there wasn't a set way to do things, nor was there any attempt to use exact numbers, which is so crazy, right? In fact, when Antoine Lavoisier pushed to use exact numbers in chemistry, the science community balked, which is wild because it's like so incredibly important to what we do today for science. I don't know why people would be like, why would we do exact numbers? But Klaproth was one of the first chemists outside of France to use Lavoisierian doctrines. He was very analytical and he was very keen to be as exact as he could with his work. So Klaproth discovered the element uranium by identifying it in this gorgeous mineral called torbernite. It's so pretty. It's so dangerous. However, he did most of his research on the element using the mineral pitchblende, which you've probably heard of. He also discovered zirconium by separating it out of earth zirconia. He independently discovered cerium, verified titanium's existence from a mineral called rutile, verified chromium as an element, confirmed tellurium, reported on the differences between barium and strontium, and confirmed the presence of beryllium in the mineral beryl. But it would be a long time before this element was named. Whew, this guy did a lot. On top of all of this, he has a lunar crater and a Central American flower named after him because he contributed so much to science. Well, thanks for coming to today's lesson. Make sure you tune in tomorrow to learn more about a big-ass fish. Fossilise you later.